I don't know why. Now from Enugu State here.
Okay.
I don't know why. This is my brother Kurokuna last.
Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
I don't know why. This is our brother Kuroku, about 2% Kuroku last. I support it. Issue of protest. Any delay shot, anything. This fundraising down. Now, I go to move and assist my brother now. Who are Buzrani leader? Because I'm do cause on in a leader, nothing like leader. But now, I'm not born doing a multi this night. And I buy now.
Is this your back? KBC Apo.
Mumasi Amufo this night.
Oh, Amufo. Oh, go on. Go ahead.
Yam de kuya una anana bayara. Then do the Kafa Ogen Cherry and the Ongozo Habese.
Sorry, I said in the beginning that I don't want to direct this broadcast to anybody.
Sorry, sir.
Go ahead.
Sorry, sir. Yam da sinada wa yesu when wa yesu kuna ya this struggle now. She said me Ronyi's arrest. Every day people should come your body corner. Or you call look at Namnikan Kogide. I know never today. Or you call look at Samuel Kogide. I know never today. Or you call look at Ordinary Kogide. I know never today. As you cannot hear. Yes, Yemerini Amufo now. Since that day, when the two people they're going to send somebody today, can I confirm? Now, Ndubu commander na buying that is not a buying now. They almost about 5 of them. When today, I confirm Reggie Moya, confirm the death of those people now. They see that and make call, can we get down and we help? Nothing. My brother, Odinawa, brother, you see, can you so wake? I am not here some money before. No, she said, Mary, when you say arrest, because some money boys know we arise. Do is fight. There's not someone to fight against the guy before him. Only open follows Simon. Odinawa, young cook him. I went to Toku, but I only see. I am going to see now. But you cook Chagama goes ending on this platform this evening. So now I cook Chagama pray. He said, I'm going to Toku this evening. May God bless everybody.
May God bless you too, Mazi. That was so emotional. He said he's calling from Amufo, and we all know what happened to Amufo a couple of days ago and what is still happening there in Amufo till today. According to this scholar, he said that about 5 commanders that we have in Amufo, now they confirmed today, they confirmed today. Oh, God.